All right, we're in tools and hardware at Lowe's. And the first thing you need to do for winterizing is get caulking. And I love this DAP products, Alex Plus. Alex Plus is awesome. It's awesome to do your caulking. So get it here for only $2.97. Is it like a super cheap price? You can get clear or white. It really works like a champ. So let's move on to the other products we can find. Okay, they also got faucet covers. Faucet covers for $2.67. Got pipe insulation foam, wrapping, whatever you need. They got it here. If you can get it here, because it's gonna be a lot cheaper than it's gonna be at the regular hardware stores. Another very important item is foam, spray foam. So I put it around the spigots of my house outside, then I wrap it with plastic bags from the store, usually Walmart or Lowe's or whatever, the store, and I just wrap them around the faucet after that, and then I put the cover. After I put the foam, then I put the bags, and then I put the cover on it. So I make sure they're fully insulated, because your spigots on the outside, they can actually freeze your pipes from the outside in. All right, Walmart's also got tie straps at a good price too. You can get them here so they can wrap your insulation pipes and lock them in with the tie straps. All right, and Walmart's also got your weather strip seals, foam seal, strip pads, sticky strips for the windows, all kinds of stuff, garage door bottom seals. You name it, they got some stuff that you wouldn't think they do, but they got it here. Double draft seal, you got your door seals, max bottom door seals, and there's a whole bunch of things on here that you really don't think that are here, but they've got them. You just got to find them. They're hidden in certain aisles, and you just got to look for them. Like this thing, all this stuff is right next to the firewood. Figure that one out. But we're still in the hardware section. Now at Walmart, if you can't find what you need, just like these air conditioner seals and covers and all kinds of cool stuff here that'll do the job for you for sealing up for winter, or just putting your units in the standby by covering them up in little plastic sheets and stuff. It's just great stuff, but if you can't find what you need, it's time to head to the hardware store. Okay, hardware time. We're at the Home Depot. Lowe's, doesn't matter. Hardware store, anyone will do to start the process of insulation. Okay, we're here at Home Depot. I finally found them, the one gang gasket cover, and you can punch it out as you want. It's got little templates here. You can make it for an outlet or a fixture or a dual outlet. And these are for outdoors. They're heavily insulated, they're waterproof, but they also have the ones for indoors that are a little bit, a bigger pack of 6 in them for about $2. And they're both a good deal. But these are what to start with. You start insulating your outlets inside and out and go from there. And then we'll move on to the other area of insulation in just a second. Okay, so I found the other ones. I went through insulation here. And I found the outlet sealer for indoors. This is a 6-pack. There's a bunch in here. They're only $2.93. Good deal. And they got the different templates on there, as you see. Let me get it set up here so you can see it. The different templates of how you can set it up and punch it out for each type of outlet you have. So that works out pretty good. So let's move on to pipe insulation. Okay, we've gotten to the meat and potatoes here, and that's the pipe insulation. Got 3/4, 1 inch, 1/2 inch. Yeah, pretty much the big sizes. It's all good. Then you got your little 1 inch and 1/2 inch connections here where you can do, you don't have to bend it and do your elbow. But remember, those tie straps you got at Walmart, those are gonna help out putting these in. I mean, they do have this sticky on here, but I tell you, this stuff just don't last and they start separating. So best to do it, get either some tape that they sell here, or use the tie straps. I always use the tie straps, they last longer. All right, just like Walmart had the hard water faucet covers, they have a lot of them here. They're all over the place in this store. They're just in boxes. They just open them up and set them on each aisle pretty much, because they know everybody needs them for the freeze coming soon, because we're all going to get the freeze and it's all going to happen. It's going to be like 2015 maybe, I don't know. But anyway, we also have if you didn't like the insulation they had at Walmart, they've got more variety here. Heavy duty stuff, contractor stuff, it's all over the place here. And we'll look at some other insulation in just a minute. Okay, and the last thing here, the standard stick-on insulation you may need for your doors and windows and jambs or whatever else. Pretty much here. If you can't find it at Walmart, you're gonna have to get it here. You're gonna spend a lot more money, but it's gonna be well worth it on your bill, especially your gas bill or electric, depending on what type of furnace you have. Okay, well that's it, folks. Good luck, God bless, and it works for me.